What's going on, guys? This video I am going to show you how to plug a tire. Now this one specifically is for my Polaris Ranger 500, but tire plugging can be used for just about anything, any tire that's really just needs a plug. So you can see here, this is my issue. Looks like a pretty good stick in there. And yes, everybody who does watch this, the tires are dry rotted. That is next on the list. So let me show you what we're going to do today. First thing that I need to do, I want to get that out, but it's just going to blow nothing but air and junk out of that. So first thing I want to do is deflate this tire. Now I could go to the valve stem, hold that down, but if you have a tool similar to this, I can actually stick that in there and take the whole valve stem out and kind of speed up this process. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna use this tool. I'm gonna take that valve stem out and we'll get back to it. Alright, now that we got this tire pretty flat, I went ahead and pulled that out and couldn't believe how long this thing was, but big old stick in there. So got that pulled out, and let's move on to the next step. So what I'm using here, tire plug kit. Next thing I'm going to do is use this tool, kind of stretch that hole out big enough to fit these plugs. So let me go ahead and set you guys down and we will do that. So what that's doing, stretching out that hole, making sure that our plug goes in nice and easy. Next thing we're going to do, go ahead and get a plug out of here. So here we have a plug. Go ahead and stick a plug in this tool. What you want to do is get it halfway in there, and we are going to jam it in that hole and pull it back out where just a little bit of it's popping out to plug it, and then we'll cut it off. Alright, so we got it put in, just a little bit hanging out. Next thing we're going to do, take our blade, cut that flat. So let me cut that flat real quick. Alright, now that we got that cut off, last thing we need to do is air up the tire. Now I know this is going to be kind of loud, so let me go ahead and see how flat it is. Let's go ahead and get that aired up. Alright, got that tire aired up. Now how you want to check for leaks, go ahead and take some Windex or just any soapy water. Go ahead and spray it on there. See if we see any bubbles. I believe we are good. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you would, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.